Best deals.
1. Container. Equipped with a silicone sealing ring, this container ensures a tight lock to keep rice fresh while preventing moisture, dust, and insects from entering. Features a newly upgraded magnetic flip lid for effortless one-handed opening. The silent, secure closure enhances convenience while keeping your grains safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cabinet organizer. This pull-out cabinet organizer requires minimal drilling for a secure and lasting fit. Simply follow the included instructions for a quick and sturdy setup in your cabinet. Built with a durable damping guide rail, this pull-out cabinet organizer glides smoothly and quietly, withstanding up to 40,000 cycles for dependable performance. Perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom items, the slide-out drawer keeps everything neatly contained and easy to reach, saving you valuable time. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Squeegee wiper. Unique angled design for reaching nooks and corners. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage basket. Store kitchen utensils, snacks, pots, and cleaning supplies in one place. This basket helps you easily organize your kitchen or bathroom. Perfect for under-sink organization, pantry storage. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Non-stick tawa. Non-stick ensures low oil cooking, making it healthier and easy to clean, perfect for daily kitchen use. The flat, wide surface of this roti tawa makes it ideal for chapati, pancakes, and more, ensuring even cooking. Features an ergonomic handle that stays cool to the touch, providing a comfortable and safe grip while cooking. Built with a scratch-resistant non-stick layer, this tawa ensures long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Drawer organizers. Protects your underwear from dust and moisture while keeping your closet organized, reducing clutter for a stress-free experience. Your best travel mate to keep things arranged and organized. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Strainer pot. The multi-pot stainless steel strainer pot with lid is made of high-quality stainless steel, and its stainless steel strainer lid helps in easy draining of water from rice, noodles or pasta. The strainer pot has lockable Bakelite handles which gives a secure grip, holds the lid in place while cooking and prevents spills. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Toothpaste dispenser. Hygienic and convenient toothpaste dispenser that lets you get the perfect amount of toothpaste with one touch, no more messy tubes or wasted paste. The inner dispenser can be easily removed for cleaning, ensuring long-term hygiene and maintenance-free use. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Bath mat. Absorbs water quickly, leaving your floor dry and clean. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Microfiber mop. Super absorbent microfiber pads clean marble, tile, granite, wooden laminate floors in one swipe. Use wet for deep mopping or dry for daily dusting. TPU wiper blade instantly dries bathroom and kitchen floors, removing 99% water for a streak-free, slip-free, shiny finish. No bucket needed for quick cleaning. The 360-degree swivel mop head reaches under beds, sofas, cupboards and tight spaces effortlessly. Telescopic stainless steel rod adjusts from 3 to 5 feet to suit your height, clean comfortably while standing upright. Perfect for elderly users, pregnant women and anyone with back problems. Heavy-duty construction supports daily mopping. Built-in grime scraper removes sticky stains, dried food and bathroom scum without chemicals. Detachable design fits in small closets, hangs on bathroom hooks or behind doors. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Insulated water jug. The wide mouth design of the water jug facilitates easy cleaning, allowing for hassle-free maintenance. Simply rinse with soap and water, and your jug is ready for reuse. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Soup bowls. Made to accompany your every meal. Serve curries, desserts, ice creams, nuts and nibbles to friends and family in these earthy serving bowls. Crafted from agri-waste in eclectic pastel hues, these will surely add oomph to any dining table. Go ahead and flaunt They are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Pressure cooker. The Versatile comes with a pressure lid and a glass lid. The lids are designed to fit both the 5-liter and 3-liter Versatile pans, uniform heat distribution with no hotspots for efficient and healthy cooking. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mat. Table runner are aesthetically designed to freshen dining table looks. Colors are perfect to go with all types of furnishing needs. The table runner gives luxurious look to your dining table and center table. It can be dried naturally in sunlight. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Oil pot. Adds a unique and stylish touch to your kitchen decor while also being functional. It typically comes with a lid to keep the ghee fresh and prevent spills. The pot features a premium knob for easy handling of the lid and includes a stainless steel spoon for convenient serving. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kadai. Wide mouth design, prevents spills and allows easy mixing. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric coffee grinder. The metallic burr grinder produces a fine and even ground coffee, which better retains the aroma of coffee and helps you to taste great coffee. The electric coffee grinder offers 16 kinds of grinding sizes. Enjoy the different grind sizes and coffee styles right from the comforts of your kitchen. The coffee grinder has a large capacity to make 12 cups of grounds. The setting of adjustable cups can be used for a single person, for families, or even in the office. The electric burr grinder is small in size and good in quality, and glazed black can better show the texture of the product. Moreover, it will perfectly fit into your kitchen. Upper chamber, container, and the grinding burr mill inside the machine can be removed easily for cleaning. You can use a cleaning brush to clean the insides of the coffee grinder. Electric coffee grinder is for every coffee lover who needs to drink a perfect cup of coffee brew every morning. You like to make your morning coffee using freshly ground coffee beans. But, you cannot find the right coffee grinder to make the process easier. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Portable coffee maker. All-in-one portable fresh coffee maker with electric grinder and dual-mode coffee maker, both soak mode for rich bold coffee and pour-over mode for clean and smooth coffee. Rechargeable battery, full charge within 45 minutes and can last up to 35 times in one single charge. Coffee maker is compact and lightweight, perfect for travel, office, or home use. Airplane safe, can be carried in laptop bag. Made with premium quality materials, this electric coffee grinder and coffee maker is designed to withstand daily use while being easy to carry wherever you go. Will produce excellent consistent high-level grind every time. 5-axis CNC machining, uniform grind every time. Product link is given in the 18th link.